All right, we're gonna go through the intermediate portion now. It's a little bit more advanced. You're gonna be starting to use all of the limbs of your body, your arms, your feet, a lot more spins, a lot more footwork, things that are a little bit more difficult. I do expect you to get the beginner routine before you get to this portion right here. It's my suggestion. So, the first part of the routine is a simple rock. I'm gonna count these out because it's easier for you to get it if you can get to the right place at the right count. So we're gonna start with a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that first 8 count should come out of it with your foot in a T. So we're gonna try that one more time. You're coming out of your salsa. I'm gonna lead in with the beginner routine into the intermediate, which is 1, 2, 3, intermediate now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Foot out. One more time, real quick. Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next portion of it is a double pump with your right foot. 1, 2, step to the side. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're floating on a cross leg spin. Your right leg will end up behind your left because you're going to swing it around. 1, 2, 3, back into your straightforward position. The next is a crossover leg pattern, which is 1, 2, float, 3, 4, step over, skip, step out, left foot out, bring the other one to the left foot, coming straight. Next part is your crazy leg, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, skip, 5, 6, 7, 8. Jump, 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 jump down into a split.
Woo! Okay, Jimmy Rich.
There you go.
Hey.
That is the intermediate routine with counts all the way through. Some of the counts are 4 counts, some of the counts are 8 counts, some of them are 16 because that is the full amount of the pattern. So we're going to start with our very first move, which is your rocking. All of the rocks are clockwise. So you're going to go 1, 2, 3, spin 4, 5, 6, 7 feet should be in a T. Coming around clockwise. 12, 13, 14, 15, foot out. Leading you into your pump. 2, 3, 4, left foot out. Spin, cross leg, foot behind. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross over. 1, 2, 3, 4. Skip, skip, skip. Foot out, foot out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Crazy leg. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cross over crazy. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. 8 is that what that should actually be. 1, 2, 3, 4. Drop down into a split.
Ooh! Ooh, ooh!
That's how you get to the intermediate. You're not getting the advanced yet. You got to get that first. This is Jimmy Rich, BuckWild,
Hey.
aka the man of the hour.
Oh!
I'm out. From the very beginning of the whole routine. So we're going to start at the beginner, step right into our intermediate, and once you get that, I can take you to the point of no return. 5, 6, 7, let's go. 1. Let's rock. coming out of the beginner routine. Let's rock. Venice Beach, California. Skate, dance. Let's do this. Yeah!
He's an amazing teacher. Otherwise, I wouldn't have been able to get all that just now. So good. Follow him. All of his information is down below. And we're doing